I bet you didn't know that 95% of the universe is completely invisible. Yep, you heard that right. Or that time itself that could one day come to a stop. Mind-blowing, isn't it? These are just some of the mind-bending truths that lie beyond our everyday understanding. And trust me, it only gets weirder. Today, we're taking you on a journey through the cosmos, revealing the top 5 most fascinating and mind-blowing facts about the universe. Buckle up. Ready to embark on a journey that might just redefine your place in the cosmos? Let's dive in and get our minds blown. The universe is expanding, but it's not just expanding, it's doing so. Imagine blowing up a balloon. The dots on the surface represent galaxies. As the balloon inflates, not only do these dots move away from each other, they do so more quickly over time. This acceleration led scientists to theorize the existence of a mysterious force called. It's like an invisible hand pushing everything apart. Picture it as a cosmic anti-gravity, making up about 68% of the universe's total energy. Yet dark energy remains one of the greatest mysteries in cosmology. Could our current theories be just the tip of the iceberg, a glimpse into a deeper understanding of the universe? What do you think? Could this be a sign that there's something even stranger out there? Only about 5% of the universe is made of ordinary matter, the stuff that stars, planets, and you and I are made of. Everything we can see, touch, and interact with represents a tiny fraction of what's actually out there. The remaining 95%, it's split between, and picture it like this: the visible universe, or the glittering galaxies and nebulae we marvel at, are just the tip of the iceberg. Dark matter, which makes up 27% of the universe, acts like an invisible scaffold, holding galaxies together with its gravitational pull. We know it's there because of its influence. Galaxies rotate faster than they should based on the visible matter alone. Something unseen is providing the extra gravity to keep them from flying apart. Imagine trying to watch a movie with only the soundtrack. Dark matter is like that silent character that shapes the plot but never appears on screen. But the real enigma is dark energy, making up a whopping 68% of the universe. It's as if there's a cosmic force stretching the very fabric of reality, causing galaxies to move away from each other faster than before. What do you think? Could there be other universes shaped by forces even stranger than dark energy? Our universe is home to trillions of galaxies. Just try to wrap your mind around that. We sit on our little planet, gazing up at a sky teeming with stars, but that's just a tiny glimpse of what's out there. The Milky Way, our galactic home with its 100 billion stars and countless planets, is just one of an estimated 2 trillion galaxies scattered throughout the cosmos. Each one a swirling island of stars, gas, and dust, separated by unimaginable gulfs of space. If each galaxy were the size of a grain of sand, you'd need an entire beach to represent them all. And even then, you'd only be scratching the surface. The vastness of it all is almost impossible to comprehend. But these galaxies aren't just scattered randomly. They form gigantic structures called the cosmic web. Imagine a massive interconnected spider's web, stretching across billions of light years. Each thread, a delicate strand of light in the vastness, represents a cluster of galaxies drawn together by gravity. The spaces in between are immense voids, regions where almost no galaxies exist. What's even more mind-blowing is that this web-like structure is shaped by the unseen force of dark matter. It's as if the entire universe is part of a massive cosmic dance, one choreographed by forces we still barely understand. The universe is ancient. At 13.8 billion years old, it's lived through more drama and change than we can ever imagine. From its fiery birth to the formation of the first stars, the universe has been on an incredible journey of evolution. If we compress the entire history of the universe into a single year, with the Big Bang at midnight on January 1st, modern humans would only appear in the last second of December 31st. In its infancy, the universe was a seething sea of plasma, a chaotic soup of elementary particles where matter and energy mixed in a dance of creation and annihilation. Temperatures were unimaginable, billions upon billions of degrees, and the very forces of nature were still taking shape. It wasn't until 380,000 years after the Big Bang that the universe cooled enough for the first atoms to form, allowing light to travel freely for the first time. This period, known as the era of recombination, gave rise to the cosmic microwave background, an afterglow of the universe's birth that we can still detect today. Imagine it as a baby photo of the universe, a faint whisper of radiation coming to us from the very edge of time. By studying its subtle variations, we can learn about the conditions present just moments after the Big Bang and test our theories about the universe's evolution. What if I told you that our universe, vast and ancient as it is, might not be the only one? What if it's just one of countless others, each a unique experiment in cosmic creation? Many scientists believe that we could be living in a multiverse, a vast collection of different universes, each with its own unique laws of physics, constants, and dimensions. The concept of a multiverse arises from theories like string theory and quantum mechanics, which suggest that the universe might be far more complex and stranger than we ever imagined. String theory, for example, proposes that the fundamental building blocks of reality aren't point-like particles, but tiny vibrating strings of energy. These strings can vibrate in different ways, giving rise to the particles and forces we observe. But here's the kicker. String theory requires extra dimensions to work, dimensions curled up and hidden from our perception. And within these hidden dimensions, there could be countless other universes, each with its own unique configuration of strings and therefore its own set of physical laws. Quantum mechanics, on the other hand, suggests that at the subatomic level, reality is inherently uncertain. This has led some physicists to propose the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, which suggests that every time a quantum measurement is made, the universe splits into multiple branches, each representing a different outcome. So, are we just a tiny speck in an ocean of possibilities? A single note in an infinite symphony of universes? Or is our universe truly unique, a one-off creation in the vastness of existence? You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding the vastness of the universe. As we've journeyed through these mind-blowing facts about the universe, I hope you've felt a sense of awe and wonder. The cosmos is full of mysteries, from the invisible forces shaping galaxies to the possibility of other universes beyond our own. We stand at the edge of an immense ocean of knowledge, and what we've uncovered so far is just a drop in the cosmic bucket. But that's the beauty of science. The more we learn, the more we realize how much more there is to know. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the universe and its endless capacity to surprise and inspire us. For within its vastness, we may just find the answers to our deepest questions about ourselves and our place in the cosmos.